Isa pong magandang araw sa inyo pong lahat dyan sa TMA Homeschool, sa lahat po ng mga teacher at mga administrator po ng TMA Homeschool, at sa mga parents po at students na nakikinig po sa araw na ito. Nais po namin bumati sa inyo ng isang maligayang linggo ng wika. Ako po pala ay si Bon Magpayo. Nagtatrabaho po ako dito sa Korea, sa South Korea, bilang isang piping engineer sa Samsung Engineering. Ang work ko po dito ay pagdidesign ng mga planta tulad ng mga petrochemical plants, oil and gas plants. Nagsimula po akong mag-work dito sa South Korea mula noong 2011. Halos kasabay ko rin po pumunta dito yung aking pamilya ang aking mahal na asawa na si Jem Magpayo at ang aming mahal na anak na si Von Gregory Magpayo. Mabuti na lamang po at merong mga homeschooling na tulad po ng TMA dahil po sa inyo ay na-enjoy pa po namin na magkakasama kami sa bansang ito at hindi namin napapabayaan yung sa aspeto ng edukasyon ni Greg. Hindi rin namin naalala na mahuli siya sa mga napag-aaralan ng mga kaedad niya dyan sa Pilipinas. At lalong-lalo na kahit na nag-aaral siya ay meron pa rin kaming time. Lagi kaming meron time para makapiling namin isa't isa, para magkaroon kami ng bonding tulad ng pamamasyal tuwing weekend. Nakakapag-bike kami, nakakapaglaro kami sa playground, nakakapaglaro kami sa mga arcade, na pagse-celebrate namin yung mga mahalagang araw tulad ng New Year, ng Christmas, at lalong-lalo na nasa-celebrate namin yung faith namin. Sama-sama kami nakakapagsimba. Kaya salamat po sa TMA Homeschool at more power po sa inyo. Mabuhay po kayong lahat at isa pong maligayang araw muli. Hi, Mr. DJ Lee. Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you for this interview.
Yeah, I'm very nervous. Starting.
You look handsome,
No,
so don't
say.
be nervous. So this video is for the TMA's homeschool,
Yes.
the school of my son,
Okay,
Gregory. Yes, and they would like to know what things can you say about Filipino engineer?
Okay, before that, hi Gregory. I'm DJ Lee from Samsung Engineering, your father's colleague from Korean person. For me, I have some experience working with many foreigners. The first, Indian. The second, Vietnam. The third, some German person, and fourth, I can say some Filipino. But to tell the truth, among them, Filipino is more, I can say, easily familiar with them, because most of Filipino guys, they can speak English very well and they can understanding me, and they are very outgoing personality, so that I'm very easy to talking with them. That's the good advantage, so that I think in my company, the Filipino person more easily acquaintance with all my Korean person. So I'm very happy working with them, especially your father is my number one friend.
Wow. Thank you so much.
Gregory, and have a great life in Korea. Combine company, I can treat you.
Okay.
Teria.
That's
See you.
very nice. Thank you so much, Mr.
See you,
DJ
Gregory.
Lee. Okay, thank you.